Ooh, Italian love. But you know what? I got another episode for you from my series, A Danger to Motorcycle Riders Nobody Talks About. I'm going to help keep you safe out here on the streets.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
I'll tell you guys, it's very addictive riding this bike. Oh yes! Hallelujah! I have an addiction to this bike, man. This bike is so sick. Oh my gosh. You see, I got that neck brace too, boy. Help keeping me safe out here. Yeah. I'm telling you, you better get one of these bad boys. I got a link in the description and comment section of this video. Perfect for road use. Allows you to look over your shoulders, but yet, look, keeps your head stable, baby. Keep you from snapping that neck. Keep you safe out here on the streets. Oh, that V4. Woo, I can't wait to put a pipe on this bike. But I'm going to tell you guys, you know, there's a lot of dangers. I got a whole series, like I said, for those of you who don't know, I got a series of danger to bikers that nobody talks about. Just stuff that dangers out there that are quite common that really people don't even talk about, you know, that we need to talk about, we need to discuss, we need to come together as a community and learn how to stay safer out here on the street so we can continue to enjoy this awesome hobby of motorcycle riding and riding these awesome bikes like this Aprilia Tuono, baby. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. But you know, oh man, that's one danger I mentioned in a video in the past, is that sun. That sun can be dangerous, can blind you, man. See these cars? Oh, I'm telling you. But that's not what this video is about. I already did a video talking about that. This video is about, you know, a danger out here is that debris shooting up from cars. You know, I had a viewer that mentioned to me that he knew somebody that was riding out here and a car spit back a piece, I don't know, it was a piece of glass or a rock or something, and it shot back at such force and it hit his knee and shattered his knee, man. Set him up for a real effed up day, put him in a wheelchair, man. I do not understand how motorcycle riders ride with no helmet or open face helmets. I just don't understand it at all, man, because there's many times I've had where cars spit rocks back and it nailed me right here in the shield, and I could not imagine having like just sunglasses on and get nailed in the face by a rock or piece of glass or something, and not just your face, but like the viewer said, it hit the guy's knee and broke his kneecap, man. And that's why I tell you guys, wear CE armor. Even though I have camo pants on right now, I have, the reason I wear camo pants is I have perforated leather pants with CE armor underneath. They have holes in them so it brings cold air in, so I put the camo pants to cover the leather pants, and these are the only pants that are baggy enough that will fit over the leather pants. That's why I get them, because in these days of skinny jeans and fitted jeans, it's hard to find baggy enough jeans that will go over the leather pants. So these are the only pants, and I like the camel pants also because they have big old pockets. You can store a lot of stuff too, and they cinch at the end too, so you don't have any loose pants at the end. So I'll tell you guys that you definitely need to be wearing full gear, man, because I tell you, with these AGV Sport Willow pants that I have underneath here, it has a great big knee guard. You know, these are regular like track day leather pants underneath here with a huge heavy CE armor right here on the kneecap. So if a big piece of glass or rock hits it, you know, it's going to take that impact without jacking my knee up. And same with my chest armor on my jacket. You know, I have armor on my elbows, my forearms. I got shoulder C armor at the shoulders, everything on this, and it really helps, to be honest with you. And we got a copper here looking at me. He's like wondering what I'm doing. I'm gonna go pull in the parking lot though, because I have a feeling that he's going to follow me. Let me pull over here, man, let him pass. I always get nervous around cops because they always like to tail me, man, and then pull me over some. But they're usually pretty cool. They usually just want to see my bike or something most of the time.
I'm just being nosy. I saw your body. It's pretty short, man. Oh, thanks. Is that brand new or what?
But I don't feel like being bothered. You probably see me come in this parking lot, he'll come back around, think I'm up to something, think I'm gonna bust a wheelie or something out here. Oh, that V4, baby. But yeah, it really pays to wear full gear, guys, from head to toe. Now, I know a lot of you guys complain about the prep time, that it takes time putting all the gear on and everything, and a lot of you guys just like riding free out here. But you know what? It's just not safe, man. It really isn't. And you know, if you get nailed by you know, a debris from a car or whatnot, and it jacks you up really bad, busts you in your face or something, where you got a hole in your face and stitches or something, and then you're busy crying and saying, oh, you know, how you were so stupid for not wearing a full face helmet and you can't go back in the time and all. Well, I'm telling you guys right now, listen to CycleCruza, wear that full gear, baby. Get that neck brace, like I said, to help keep you safe out here. A lot. Like I said, I've gotten nailed by rocks, pieces of glass, all kinds of stuff. I've got my shield cracked. I've had a lot of stuff over the years. There's no way in heck that I would ride around without wearing a helmet or full C armor. There's no way, ever. You know, even when you see me with my dirt bike jersey on, guys, I got my C armor jacket underneath that. A lot of you guys don't know that. But I'm no fool out here, man. I'm telling you, that stuff, it really helps. Oh, that V4, baby. Oh, she is fine. But I tell you, that sun is a real issue too, man, because it kind of blinds you somewhat. It's irritation. I'm over here by the Browns facility. Go Browns, baby. The Browns are gonna be tough this year, man. We got Odell Beckham Jr., baby. Yeah, baby. We're going to the playoffs for sure. But anyways, guys, if you want to see more of my my series, A Danger to Bikers Nobody Talks About, I'll include the playlist to all the videos in the description and comment section of this video. And for those of you guys who want to get my gear, like this awesome neck brace, my gloves, camo pants, boots, helmet, cameras, all my stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my video. Or go to my website, CycleCruza.com, and click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that's links to all my stuff.
Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.